Hello and welcome to my screencast tutorial on ujam. Ujam is a free online application that you can use to create and edit music, pretty similar to GarageBand on Macs. To get to ujam, you simply go to www.ujam.com in your web browser, and it will take you to a page similar to the one you're seeing here. The first thing you'll do when you get there, you have to create an account and log in. You do have to create an account to use ujam. Once you log in, which I've already done, you will see this page here. This is the home page for ujam. Some pretty important objects on this page: the home button that will take you back to this page, the Go Jam buttons, those will load the actual ujam application, saved songs, we will talk about that a little bit more here in a little while. You can also see ujam's videos that they've put onto YouTube and their latest Facebook and Twitter posts. Getting started now, first thing we're going to do is click Go Jam, and that, as I said, that will load the ujam application. Takes just a little while. And the first thing you're going to notice when that loads is this small window here. It has the 4 possible choices to begin your music editing. You can record vocals or an instrument that you've connected to your computer. You can upload an audio file that you already have on your hard drive and remix it from there. You can load saved sessions. You can see I have a couple sessions here. Or you could rejam or remix a song template that they give you. You can play some of these and scroll through them and pick your own. Due to the way that Screencast-O-Matic works, my audio will not sound too great because I have to play it through the speakers into the microphone. And as I said, you can look through these and pick the one you want to do. I like rock music, so I'm going to pick this one. All you have to do is click Rejam, and that will load the segment that you've selected into the application. And then there's a lot of stuff on this page, so I'm going to kind of go through what all there is here. First, you've got the tempo that changes the speed of the song, the music to melody mix that adjusts whether you hear more of the main lead track or the background music more, the pitch alteration, you can adjust the pitch of the main track up or down. Next thing is the instrument. That's the instrument that you have playing your main tune, which is these notes. The melody is the background music, also called the style here. Style speed, you can adjust the speed of the background music. You've got the play button, which will play through all of your notes. Revert, which just takes you back to the beginning of your section. And the loop button will play your notes over and over in a continuous loop. You've got the share button, and you can share your music that you create to Facebook by using SoundCloud. You will have to have both a Facebook and SoundCloud account to do that. It will automatically post it to your Facebook wall. You can save your song and come back to it later. You can create an MP3 out of your song if you want to save it to your computer. Or you can start completely over from scratch. Alright, next I'm going to go over some of these things and show how they affect the song when you change them. First thing I'm gonna go ahead and play through this just to see how it sounds right now. Alright, that sounds pretty good, but I want it to sound a little bit different, so I'm going to come down here and change my background music, the style as it's called on ujam, and I can either select from a general type in this drop down menu, or I can go in and customize each instrument in the background music individually, and I can also add more than what's there. I'm not going to mess around with that too much. I'm just going to select one out of here, and I like hard rock music, so I'm going to pick that, and we'll see how that changes the song. If you're listening carefully, you can notice that the drums and bass have changed a little bit. And that's what the background music is mostly drums and bass and other percussion. Next, I'm going to change the lead instrument from lead guitar big. I'm just going to scroll through here. I'm just going to pick lead guitar. Sorry for that pause. I had an idea of what I was going to do. I just couldn't find it. It seems they've rearranged the list a little bit. And then we'll play that to see how it changed. Again, you can tell it's just a little bit different right there. And I like faster music, so I'm going to change my tempo to about 170, and now you'll really be able to tell the difference when I play this. As you can tell, that's a lot faster than what it was before, and I don't like how fast the drums are going, so I'm going to go down here to style speed. I'm going to change that to 50%. Click my revert button to go back to the beginning. We'll see how the drums have changed. There you can see that the drum and bass sections slowed down, but the lead guitar stayed just as fast. You can also change the music to melody mix. I'm going to change it to 3 to 7. The music is at 3 and the melody is at 7, so I can hear the drums and bass a little bit better. Alright, now to make it more of a guitar solo kind of tune, I'm going to change my pitch to +3. We'll see how that changed it. Okay, you can tell that the guitar definitely raised its pitch just by changing that. And now I've created a pretty simple guitar solo kind of tune, and I like how that sounds, so I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click Save Song, and I can enter in a name for it. I'll just call it Guitar, so I can learn how to spell, solo. I'm going to click Save. My song's successfully saved, and then I can go back at any time and load that song if I restart the application. You can see that guitar solo is now in my saved sessions. So this has been my tutorial of ujam. I hope you enjoy it. If you want to check it out, I highly recommend this application. It's fun to mess around with. It can be repetitive, but you often have to be repetitive in these kinds of applications just to be able to make sure that you're getting the perfect sound and what you want it to be. Again, thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it.